Groundwater surveyors in Laxmi Nagar are professionals who specialize in assessing and analyzing the availability and quality of groundwater in a specific area. Laxmi Nagar, a well-populated area in Delhi, faces various challenges related to water scarcity and contamination. Therefore, the need for groundwater surveyors in this location is crucial to ensure sustainable water management and conservation efforts. The role of groundwater surveyors in Laxmi Nagar involves conducting detailed surveys and studies to determine the quantity and quality of the groundwater resources. They use advanced techniques and equipment to collect data on the depth of underground aquifers, water table levels, and the presence of contaminants. By accurately assessing these factors, they can provide valuable information to policymakers, urban planners, and environmentalists for effective decision-making related to water resource management. Scon Design is a renowned consultancy firm that specializes in providing comprehensive solutions for sustainable urban development. With their expertise in urban planning and design, they play a significant role in addressing the challenges faced by Laxmi Nagar regarding groundwater availability and quality. Scon Design collaborates with groundwater surveyors in Laxmi Nagar to gather accurate data on the groundwater situation in the area. By utilizing their expertise in architectural and engineering design, Scon Design develops innovative solutions to optimize groundwater usage and minimize wastage. They work closely with local authorities and communities to implement rainwater harvesting systems, groundwater recharge techniques, and efficient irrigation methods. These measures not only help alleviate water scarcity but also contribute to the overall sustainability of the area. Laxmi Nagar groundwater surveyors are experts who focus on evaluating and analyzing the quantity and quality of groundwater in a particular location. Laxmi Nagar, a densely populated neighborhood of Delhi, deals with a number of issues relating to water contamination and scarcity. In order to maintain long-term water management and conservation initiatives, this area urgently needs groundwater surveyors. To ascertain the amount and quality of the groundwater resources in Laxmi Nagar, groundwater surveyors are responsible for conducting thorough surveys and investigations. They gather information on the depth of subterranean aquifers, water table levels, and the presence of contaminants using cutting-edge procedures and equipment. They can give politicians, urban planners, and other decision-makers useful information by appropriately